So one of the things that you can do inside of VLC is control out playback speed as you want as well. So to do that, I'm just going to go around over here in VLC, and here I have a video clip. So let's just go ahead and play this out. You can see that this particular video clip right here has a certain speed. So let's say I want to control the playback speed as needed. So to do that, over here you can go to the playback menu right here, just like this, and then go ahead and control out the speed. Let me just play it again right here and keep it on loop so that it keeps on playing forever. So now I can go to playback right here, and in speed you can choose faster right here, and it goes 1.5 times faster. You can go ahead and choose faster, and it's 2 times faster, as you can see right here. Simply go ahead and click on faster right here, and then what happens is that it goes ahead and speeds up the playback right here. You can go faster as you want as well. You can go for normal speed and it goes back to normal speed right there, and similarly you can go for slower so that it actually goes ahead right there, just like that. So let me just go around over here onto playback speed right here, and then you can go for fine slower as well, so that the slow rate right here that you're choosing is not very not too slow as needed. And that is how you can go ahead and do that. And then what you can also do is press the plus button on your keyboard and minus button right here to go ahead and slow down and speed up as well. So that is what you have as well. So you can press the plus button on your numpad to go ahead and make it really fast right here, and the minus button on your keyboard to go ahead and slow it out as well. So now this is where you see the speed change, and as you see this is how you can go ahead and control out the playback speed inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.